I know it looks like a mess, but there's a method to my madness. Doug here from Besse Custom Fab. Today we're doing some run-out stands. I'm doing a batch of 15. Just wanted to do a quick video on the benefits of using jigs. So stick around. Okay, so what I'm doing is I've got the body of the stand pretty much fabricated. We'll do the welding after. I've got all my parts cut. As you can see, parts, cut, drilled, notched, ready to go together. It'll end up looking like this. So what you want to do is you want to have everything the same. You don't want different parts, the same parts to be different, you know what I mean? So I build a jig, and this jig is super simple. It's basically a pipe and a pipe. This one's 3/4 of an inch, which gives me the standoff height that I'm looking for. Super simple, so I just drop this on, and then it's on there. And we're gonna put some of these tabs, these 3 little tabs, little brackets go on there. I'm going to show you how that's done. I'm going to actually use this little thing as a stand because it works almost perfectly. Okay, so gloves on. Safety first. Maybe put this on too if you have one of these. Really protects your eyes. So I start with this side here, so I don't get confused. I make sure my bracket is the right way with the hole up. And all I'm gonna do is just eyeball center on this. Tack it. Rotate it around. Next one. Just like magic. Third one. And then you know that everything's uniform. The height's good. You're not wobbly. They're all going to be the same. And the other benefit of this is once you're done with your fabrication and you want to weld it, put it back on the jig. You're welding something on the table and it's rolling around on the slag and it's hard to control this way. You can get this one ready, weld it, spin it, weld it, spin it, weld it, and you're done. So you don't want to be running around fixing pieces. When they're done, they're all going to be the same height and everything's going to be the same. So that's why I use jigs. I also use jigs. I batch cut my parts. You don't want to spend all day laying out holes on here. So what you do is you make a setup like this, so that when you drop your piece into the vise, it lines up with the hole. No layout required. I guess you got to lay out the first one, but better than laying out 56 of the fucking things or whatever there is. Anyway, like my videos, subscribe, Besse Custom Fab. Check out my new hats. Rock and roll.